Yo, what's up? So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your leverage to 1:1000. Okay, so first things first is log in your account on the myaccount.poprime.com. So in the upper left corner, you could see a accounts icon and then select your active account. Click this um setting icon. And then you could see the change leverage in this section. Click the change leverage. Okay. You could select the 1000:1 leverage. All right. So you could maximize your leverage under this area, section areas. Okay. Click the 1000:100, change leverage, and then you are now good to go. Right. So if you want more information about the PO Prime brokers, click like and subscribe. Thank you.